Hello, and welcome to the next episode of Sniffle Souls. I can't remember if I said this last time, but today the plan is kill Capra Demon. And so, in order to do that plan, it makes sense to me to get back to said Capra Demon. Oh, I thought that it would have already come up. Now is there one behind? Yes, there is. Sorry, I've been eating most of a packet of crisps before recording this. Also, I'm going to have to try and keep this short, so I've got to be succinct and play well. Because my mother and or brother could return to the house at any point, in which case there would be pollution of their voices in this recording. Why am I coming this way? This is the difficult way. Where's the easy way? I can't remember what the easy way is. Help me. Is it up the ladder? Maybe. Oh, I remember. It's from Firelink Shrine. So, no, it's not up the ladder. Fuck's sake. So much for being succinct. Anyway, today is a day for recording. One video. I know. Unheard of. Unheard of. Come down here. Kill you. Wait for you. Kill you. No. So I'll make it back to Firelink Shrine. No biggie. I can do that. Come down here. Kill them. Kill them. You know, with all the times I've hit walls with my sword in this game, it'd be very blunt. Then again, it doesn't look that sharp to me. I'll leave them be. That'll be alright. Haha! Oh. I know you can make that jump. At least, I think you can make that jump. Anyway. Not really much point in actually going all the way back to Firelink Shrine if I'm just going to kill the Capra Demon this episode. Because, of course, why wouldn't I do that? There's no reason to believe that I don't have it within me to very quickly murder up a demon of Capra. Hello. Goodbye. Oh, I missed. My bad. Run down here. Spin, hit them. Chug. Now it's time to play a little bit more carefully, so I hope you don't have to waste any more of my things. Which I think's fair enough. Now then, there's two dogs up here. Hello. Ah, shite. Fucking dogs, I hate them. Not in real life, I love dogs. But in this game, they're fucking dickweeds. Especially the two in here. I should probably drink this, just so I don't, like, get one shot. So one of my friends has been asking how to beat the gargoyles with the help of, obviously, the one and only lovely knight Solaire. Ow! I swear that the Capra Demon shouldn't be able to hit you when you're up there. Roll! Oh, that was not rolling. I asked for rolling. What did I get? Not rolling. Am I happy with my service? Am I satisfied? No, I'm not. Come over here. Or don't. Come over here. Come on. There we go. I told you I could do it. Oh, I was kind of hoping that one of his demon great swords, or whatever they're called, was going to drop. But, oh well. Whatever. I told you I could do it. Go Black Knight Sword. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Now then, I suppose I should probably make it to the next bonfire. If not, I'll just die. And lose my 14k souls. It's fine. I'm not all that bothered. May as well come grab this. Thank you. Now then, I've actually many times died just down here. I mean, it's not something I'm proud of, but I'm just saying it has happened. Hey, come on, don't lock onto the wrong people. Better. the reason I usually die is because I usually don't go for that guy first. Or at least that's what I tell myself. It's probably because I just suck at the game. But shh. Okay. Now they're dead, I can kill Wassamagic here. And then these guys are next. Hey there, how you doing? Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello there. Good effort. Now then, I kind of want to save Pyromancy guy because the next bonfire is quite a way away down here. But I also think it's most important that I get to said bonfire as fast as I can. So, what I'm going to do. There we go, killed them, see if they drop their thing. Good old sack. It's obviously better fashion souls than what I'm wearing. Love it. Break that. I almost forgot to grab the chest. My bad, it's not a mimic. Large ember, love it. That weird meat, I'm not sure what it is. I'm gonna guess rat. Rat meat, makes sense. Especially given this. Look at it. Look at this bastard. Fucking huge. Geronimo! 13k damage. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm surprised it didn't survive that though. It usually survives drop down attacks. Good old humanity. I need to grab this. It's very important for my bonfire. Now then, I've just got to find the bonfire. Because I'm not usually very good at it. Finding the bonfire. Now then, hello rat. Wow, I didn't fall. That was weird. I almost always fall there. Die! I don't like these things. They're so goddamn tanky. I mean, they're easy to kill. They're just a pain. And you never know if they're going to drop anything, so... Ah! I know where I am. And, oh god, don't die here. That would be most embarrassing. But I did enter this place from the wrong side to start with. Now then, I'm just going to go and heal up in here. Thank you. Thank you, corpse of your comrades. Oh. Well, I'll be alright. I was going to roll through that, but apparently that's not allowed. Oh well. 2 flasks. Hi there. Treble kill. Love it. Come back through here. How do we make it to the bonfire? I know there's one about, but I've got to get to the end of the waterfall. I remember that much. Oh, thank you. Another soul. Didn't expect that. Aha. That might help. But, as I'm here, may as well kill these guys. Thank you. That might be the way, but it might not, so rather than risk it, I'll just come up here. Hello, mini rat. Then I'll run across here. Grab this. I think you need like 50 strength for that. It's fucking absurd. Oh my god, I'm here! I'm not sure how I did it, but I did it. I navigated my way. Open, please. I said open. Thank you. Much appreciated. La da 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 da. This place. Like this. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Got a thing to do first. No. Bum bum. Bum. Bum 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 bum. Boom. There we go. Like that. Rest here. First hollowing. I should probably level up, seeing as I'm here. Get up some strength. No, I need to get up my endurance and health. That's what I'm going to get up. So, got Vite 15, 16. There we go. Just so I don't waste the souls when I die. And I suppose that'll do for this one. So, my name hath been James. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all next time. Please like and whatnot if you doth enjoy it. Joy. And yeah, I'll see you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.